Hello, this is how you do the fancy fandango in French. I very often lecture on this, and I thought I'd share with you how you can do the fancy fandango in French, not English. Why? Why did I have to do this? Well, I was employed at a quilt show in Lyon a couple of years ago, and I had to demonstrate for 3 days. You could indeed use it on quilts, and we have it here on quilts in the corners here and in the centre. So it could be a quilt decoration, hide all those awkward seams that haven't gone quite straight. You could indeed stitch a whole load of them together by hand. I don't do hand as a rule, but there is another story to this quilt. Maybe I'll share that with you later. And again, on this little piece, you've got a variety of fancy fandangos, another of my ideas called a floral fantasy. So that is a fancy fandango, but how do you do it?